students at WAVA. This is Mrs. Paul, and I am the club leader for Art Club. So I just wanted to say thank you to all of you who have expressed interest and who've been coming, and to welcome anyone who's interested in either looking at their friend's art or creating their own. So we, in our art club, we have student-led demonstrations. I lead some, but for the most part, this is your club, and I want you guys to teach about all the creative ways that you like to create art. We have an amazing club Padlet, and you guys, it's super easy. You just upload your art and you can see it real time. All the art just pops up on the screen, sometimes in a matter of seconds, and it's wonderful to get to see all the amazing things that you guys are creating. And you can go in and, just like in social media, you can put a little heart and tell your friends which ones you like the best. So please come and have fun sharing your art with us. And if you want to just come and enjoy looking at all the art of your friends, that's fine too. It's every Tuesday at 1 p.m. We'll see you then. Bye, everyone.
Hey, I'm Miss Burton, and I am a 6th grade English and history teacher here at WAVA, and I am going to be helping host the music club this year. I'm so excited. I love music of all kinds, and one of the cool things that I've done kind of recently is I taught myself how to play the acoustic guitar, and I also play piano and do a little singing as well. But I just really enjoy music. I love hearing students perform, and if you are part of if you decide to join our music club, we're going to be having it each Wednesday at 2:30 starting next week, and we'll have some guest performers and students, give students a chance to perform and do some other fun stuff. So we hope to see you there. And again, I'm Miss Burton, and I'm really excited to get started.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Seward. I am one of the high school counselors here at WAVA, and I will be your social chat club leader this year. So we will meet Wednesdays. K through 5 is 3 to 3:30, and 6 through 12 is 3:30 to 4. Some of the things to look forward to will be games and different theme chats and just making new friends. So I look forward to getting to know you all and see you in social chat.
Hi there, my name is Amy Dorman, and I'm a middle school counselor here at WAVA. I am also the leader of the baking club. So far this year, we've been having a great time, and I'm really excited to get to know all the students and have new baking things every week. Every week we will talk about what we want to bake the following week, and I will put a recipe on our Padlet so that everyone knows what they need on Monday. See you guys all Monday at 4. Bye.
Hi, my name's Lance Hyatt. I'm one of the 2-6-8 school counselors for WAVA Middle School. Wanted to reach out and say hi to all of our students out there and tell you a little bit about some of the work we do as counselors. Your counselors are always available to meet one-on-one for individual conversations, potentially meet in small groups. Lunch meetings, we run our CEL and CCR lessons where we can have a lot of group discussions coming in. I would love to have the opportunity to meet more of the student body and get to know you guys a little bit better. So anyhow, hello from Mr. Hyatt, one of the 2 WAVA Middle School counselors for 6-8. Thanks. Bye.
Hi, WAVA High School. My name is Miss Seward. I'm the high school counselor with last names starting with K through M. I'm looking forward to working with you all on graduation planning and career and college readiness. And I'm also the leader of the Social Chat Club if you're interested in joining. So please reach out if you have any questions or there's anything I can help you with.
Hi there, my name is Amy Dorman, and you guys can call me Miss Amy, and I am the middle school counselor for anybody with the last names between M and Z. So let me know if you ever need any help with anything. Bye-bye.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Flores, and I'm an academic counselor for Washington Virtual Academy, and I will be working in the high school, and I'll also be working with students whose last names start with CI through GN. Welcome to the school year.
WAVA students, as you can see, we have some great clubs and activities that you can get involved with, and we also have wonderful support from our school counselors. So make sure you're checking these out and you come and pop into one of our club options throughout the week, meet other WAVA students, and have a chance to make a new friend or get to know your club leader or your counselors in these opportunities and events. Make sure you're checking your Class Connect schedule each week to see what optional opportunities there are for you, and also go to the WAVA bulletin board website. We have a clubs page that is dedicated to our club options, and you can even check out the schedule so you can see Monday through Friday what club options we have for you to participate in. You won't want to miss it, so check out baking club, art, Gleason, music, ASB, maybe some Skills USA or gaming. We have so many options. Check out Social Chat each week. All of our club leaders and our counselors look forward to getting to know each of you. So let's have a great year.